Hey, this is Jagged Mountain Knives, and we're going to show you how to make a miniature knife keychain out of some 1/4 inch rod. Turn on. Pull. Step number 1 is just to flatten it out. To a good width and a good length of about 2 or 3 inches. If you want to turn it side every once in a while, just keep it nice and square on all edges. Step number 2 is to start forging a point onto it. You just want to take it on the very end and just knock a 45-degree angle so it looks a little bit like that. Keep flattening it out so it doesn't start to mushroom. Now you can start rounding your edges and starting to give it a more circular shape on the point. All around it. Knock the handle down. Let's go about an inch and a half. Set it on the edge of the anvil and just slowly knock it in a little bit so you start the handle part. And keep flattening it on the anvil so it doesn't start to mushroom. Looking good. Make everything straight. You might need to do some more tip work. Straight. Okay. Step number 5 is to just cut it off where you want to. So get the handle where it looks like a good distance, probably about another inch, and then just cut it off. There it goes. Now we're going to want to center punch it so we can drill the hole out for when for the keychain part. Just get it where you want it, and then just a little whack. Line the end down where we cut it, because it's kind of sharp right now. Keep going. We're going to drill the hole out for the keychain part now. We're going to throw it back in the forge. If you look, there's a little bit of silver on that end. And we just want it all to be the same color. That's how you make a keychain knife. If you want to pick one of these up, you can get them on our website, Jagged Mountain Knives. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like it. Thank you very much.